Question is not clear there. Write the question. Question is to find the values of A and B. Equations are one equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. This is one equation. Another equation, a plus b into x plus 2a minus b into y is equal to 21. Is equal to 21. They both are having how many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. Find the value of a and b. Try this. These values are, this is x here, y here. These are not printed, not properly. Here also completely wrong. We copy these two. This is first equation, this is second equation. Try now. They both two equations are having infinitely many solutions. Try to find the value of a and b. Write the formula. Okay. Here, what is the formula? A1 is 2, A2 is a plus b, B1 is 3, B2 is 2a minus b, C1 is minus 7 after setting this side, C2 is minus 21. So by this, equate first and last ones. We get 2 by a plus b is equal to, after cancellation it is, so it is 1 by 2. Now we do cross multiplication. We get a plus b into 1, a plus b, 2 into 3, 6. Equation 1. Similarly, we take another condition, 3 by 2a minus b is equal to, again after cancellation it is 1 by 3. Again cross multiplication, 2a minus b is equal to 3 into 3, 9. This is equation 2. We have to solve these two equations. A plus b is equal to 6. 2a minus b is equal to 9. Plus b minus b is cancelled. 3a is equal to 15. A is equal to 15 by 3. A is equal to 5. You have to find b now. Substitute here. A plus b is equal to 6. 5 plus b is equal to 6. So b is equal to 6 minus 5. B is equal to 1. Got the same? Next problem. Here also this is equation I am writing because it did not come properly. Question is not okay. So it is, first equation is 101x plus 102y is equal to 304. First equation. And second equation, 102x plus 101y is equal to 305. Try to solve these two. This is not really true. This is x. So second equation, we should subtract 101x 102y is equal to 304. Down 102x plus 101y is equal to 304. 305, huh? then it is, when you subtract minus minus minus, when you get here minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. So if you want to simplify more, you can multiply everywhere minus, minus into minus, plus x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 2. I multiplied everywhere minus. These two, what we can do, x plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 1, plus y minus y cancel, 2x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 by 2, x is equal to 2. Once we get x is equal to 2, we substitute x is equal to 2. X plus y is equal to 3. So 2 plus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 minus 2. Y is equal to, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Okay, let us do another question. So if x coefficient and y coefficients are not same, then we don't add or subtract. What we do there, we we follow elimination method. Suppose you have one equation, for example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, and other is 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. See here, these two are same, but these two are not same, so you cannot just add and subtract. So here what we have to do, this entire thing should be multiplied here, means this entire equation should be multiplied by 3, and the second equation should be multiplied by either x coefficient or y coefficient. You have to equate by multiplication, and then you have to cancel. That is what elimination method, if x and y coefficients are not same. Let us do graph equation. I will tell you, equations are not printed properly. X plus 3y is equal to 6, first equation. This is not now, not coming, not printed properly, so we don't copy this. I am writing down equations, copy those equations. One is x plus 3y is equal to 6, and 3y minus 2x is equal to minus 2. These are the two equations. X plus 3y is equal to 6, 3y minus 2x is equal to minus 12. We have to draw the graph and we have to solve it. X and y we have to find out. Hope everybody remember how to draw the table, how to find out the table, x and y values. You locate the points and join them, then see where they are intersecting. You can start. You can start doing this. This may come for 4 marks or 5 marks. Sometimes it will come for 3 marks, not 4 marks. It may come for 3 marks or 5 marks. All the steps you have to mention properly. Graph paper will be given in the answer sheet. Answer booklet, one graph paper also it will be given. In that graph paper only you have to complete this graph. If graph comes, you have to complete in that. Hope all of you got points. Now let's see how to find the points and how to locate them. First equation I am taking, x plus 3y is equal to 6. Draw one table. There also you have to check like this only. You have to do like this. In exam, back side of the paper or another in front of graph before whatever answer sheet you have, there you have to draw the table. The graph paper you have to draw the lines. X and y, once you take x is equal to 0, if we take x is equal to 0, we'll get x is equal to 0, we'll get 0 plus 3y is equal to 6. And what happens? 3y is equal to 6, so that y is equal to 6 by 3, y is equal to 2. This is the first point, 0 comma 2. Next we take y is equal to 0, implies what happens if you take y is equal to 0, x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 6. So x plus 0 is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6. So this is what, when you took x is equal to y is equal to 0, we got x is equal to, these are the 2 points. Similarly for next equation also, we can keep as it is or you can change it, minus 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 2. I am writing as it is, 3y minus 2x is equal to minus 2. This is the second equation. Find the points. X, y, we take x is equal to 0 first. If you take x is equal to 0, 3y minus 2 into 0 is equal to minus 2. So what it is, 3y minus 3y, anyway this is 0. So only 3y is equal to minus 12. 3y is equal to minus 12. Y is equal to minus 12 by 3. Y is equal to minus 4. So when we took x is equal to 0, we got y is equal to minus 4. Similarly, one more time, y is equal to 0 we take. Because what happens? 3 into 0 minus 2 into x is equal to minus 12. That is 0 minus 2x is equal to minus 12. So minus 2x is equal to minus 12. Minus minus will be cancelled. X is equal to 12 by 2. X is equal to 6. So you should be careful in finding points. If you do mistake in finding points, the graph also will come wrong. Wait a second, will come. Did you get it? Points you have to find correctly. Then x-axis, y-axis we have to locate exactly. By mistake, x-axis, point on x-axis if you locate on y-axis, point on y-axis if you locate on x-axis. That location is done wrong, entire graph will be wrong. You should be careful about finding points and then location, joining them. At last you have to find the point of intersection also. Point of intersection, at last you have to write solution. We get x value and y value where they both intersected. X is equal to what, y is equal to what, we have to find. If they ask you find the solution graphically, only solution what we have to write. If they ask us to draw the triangle or to shade the area of the triangle by x-axis or area of the triangle by y-axis, like that also questions will be given. So according to the question, you have to write the conclusion till the end. This one only. This problem only. Hmm. What was the entire thing it went off? One is x plus 3y is equal to 6. And there is 3y minus 2x is equal to minus 2. What we got here, first one point, x0 we took, y we got 2, y0 we took, x is equal to 6. Similar here, is another one. x0 we took, y is equal to minus 4, y0 we took, x is equal to plus 6. We got this point, I am not writing all these values now. Now we will locate the points in the graph. 0 comma 2, where it lies? On y-axis at 2. 6 comma 0 on x-axis at 6. 0 comma minus 4 on y-axis at minus 4. 6 comma 0 again same. So that means what? That is only point of intersection. Now we have to join this. This is one line. This is another line. By using scale you will draw, so you will get exactly correct straight lines. And we can understand these two points are intersecting at 6 comma 0. We can write this 2 comma 6. This is what? X plus 3y is equal to 6. And what is this line? 3y minus 2x is equal to minus 2. Scale. What is scale? On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. This will be there on the graph. After your drawing graph, if they ask you about that, sometimes they will ask you only to find out the solution. If they ask you only to find out the solution, we write after the graph what we write? From graph, two lines are intersecting at 6 comma, therefore x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 6 is solution of the given equation we write. If they ask you to find out area by x-axis or area by y-axis, if it is area by y-axis, we have to coordinate axis and y-axis and two lines. Then you have to shade this. And this area we have to find out. To find out this area, this will be base. From here you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units base. And height is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Base is 6, height is 6. So half into base into height, half into 6 into 6. You will get the area of the triangle. This may come for 3 marks or sometimes for 5 marks also. On this, try it. It's a word problem, 2-digit number related. Right. Hope you all remember, when it comes for 2-digit number, you should take what is 10th digit, what is 1st digit, and what is the number, and what is the number obtained by reversing the digits. First write that information and try. Your sound is more. Remove that sound. Write that equation. Try to write the equation. Whenever a two-digit number comes, you draw a table like this. First, you write information. First, tens place, ones place, number to understand better. So what we do, we take x in tens place, y in ones place. Because we are taking x in tens place, y in ones place, we multiply x to 10. So 10x. And we multiply y to 1. So it become 10x plus. So when x is there in tens place, y is there in ones place, number is 10x plus y. So after you are interchanging the digits, y will come to tens place, x will go to ones place, and the number will become 10y plus x. This is after interchanging the digits. Now we write information here. Let x be the tens digit of the number, and y be the ones digit of the number. Then the number is 10x plus y. Number obtained by the reversing the digits is reversing digits is 10y plus x. See, if you write whatever problem it may be, first if you write this information and this information, you will get a half mark or 1 mark for that. Two-digit number problem comes. X place, that is tens place, ones place. What is the number? X in tens place, y in ones place, number is 10x plus y. After interchanging the digits, number is 10y plus x. If you write these sentences also, because you are writing first information, marks will be given. Marking scheme will be there for this information also, mark will be given. Now what it is given again? Now if you enter into the question, it is given sum of the digits. How much? Sum of the digits is 14. Sum of the digits means you have taken digits only x and y. So only sum of these two we have to take. So you can write here, given sum of digits is 14. So therefore we can write x plus y is equal to 14. This is equation 1. One more information what it is given. The number obtained by interchanging the digits exceeds the original number by 18. Means what? Here this number is after interchanging we are getting. 10y plus x is obtained by interchanging the digits. This is the original number. The number obtained by interchanging the digits is exceeding the given number. Means what? This is more, this is less. That means what? Whenever it is given exceeding, the difference of it is given. The difference of two numbers it is given. Difference of which two numbers? The number obtained by interchanging the digits and the original number. 10x plus difference of these two is given. What is the difference of these two? When you subtract, you have to get 18 because it is given that it is exceeding by 18. The difference of these two is 18. Now, if you simplify this, 10y plus x minus 10x minus y is equal to 18. 10y minus y, 9y, x minus 10x minus 9x is equal to 18. We can divide everywhere by 9. So we get y minus x is equal to 2. This is the equation 2. So first equation is x plus y is equal to 14. If you write in order, second equation, you can simplify this by elimination method easily. X plus y is equal to 14. But the second equation is it is in the form of y minus x. X we should write first, then y should write. Then it will become minus x plus y is equal to 2. We should be careful while simplifying. Arrange that in the correct order and simplify. Plus x minus x will be cancelled. Now y plus y, 2y. 2y is equal to 14. So after cancellation, y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7. Oh, we did wrong here. So the sum is 16. Then y is equal to 16 by 2. It is 8. So we got y is equal to 8. Substitute y is equal to 8 in x plus y is equal to 14. So x plus 8 is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 minus 8, 6. X is equal to 6, y is equal to 8. I observed you will leave. Some of you will leave after you are getting x and y. But if you leave like that, you will not get full marks. They are asking what is the number. So what is the number? Number is, therefore the number, you should write conclusion. Therefore number is, tens place is x. Tens place we have 6. In ones place we have 8. Therefore the number is 68. When we are adding, how much we are getting? 14. Sum of the digits is 14. And if you interchange the digits, you get 86. 86 minus 68 if you find out. 16 minus 8, 8. 7 minus 6, 18. So the difference of the two digits is, two numbers is 18. So it is satisfied. So you can verify your answer correct or not like that. After getting answer, is it coming according to the question correctly? Or when you add digits, you have to get 14. And after interchanging the digits, it should be 18 more. So when you subtract both, you have to get result 18. So according to given information, is it tallying or not? You have to check it. You can check it, verify. Answer is correct or not. So this is most of the times it came in pair of linear equations and quadratic equations. Two-digit number means tens place, ones place, what is the number? After reversing the digits, what is the number? Then go to the question. In question, how it is given? Sum of digits is given or product of digits is given. After that number obtained by reversing the digits, how it is related to original number, you'll get the equation. Then you have to solve it. Shall we try the next one now? This, you try this, not simple only this one. Try this. Read the question and try to find out. It is related to fixed charge and charge per day here, but you have some questions fixed charge and charge per kilometer, fixed charge and charge per day. So in this charge per day or charge per kilometer will vary according to the day or kilometer, but the fixed charge is going to be same, fixed. So here two variables again we have to take. One is fixed charge. Fixed charge we will take it as x. Charge per day or charge per kilometer, whenever like this it comes, we have to take it as y, and that depends on how many days. Here it is day, no? So how many days? First case, in the first case, hostel charges, fixed charge. So how many days you stay, the fixed charge will be same. So here two things, by seeing this only we can understand what we have to find out. They are asking to find, one is fixed charge and other is cost of the food per day, charge per day. So two things are there, fixed charge and charge per day. So these two things we have to find. Those two things only we have to take x and y. So by seeing question only we can understand what should be taken x, what should be taken y. So here we will take, let fixed charge be x. This is fixed now. And cost of food per day or charge per day also you can write, charge per day be y. Fixed charge be x, charge per day be y. In the first case, fixed charge is same, fixed only. But how many days? In the first case, for 22 days we are paying 1380. So x plus each day y rupees, like the 22 days. So equation will become 22 into y. X plus 22y is equal to 1380. This is equation 1. In the second case, what happened? Student B. There also fixed charge will be same. This is student A by student A. Oh, student B. Okay. 1380 in the equation 1. Now, in the second case, student B, what? He will pay x plus 28y is equal to 1680 because he is staying 6 days more. This is equation 2. So this type of equation will be very simple to solve because already x they both are same. So you can follow elimination method. Minus, minus, minus. These two will be cancelled. We get minus 6y is equal to 0. Here also 0, 3. Just minus 300. So minus minus cancel, y is equal to 300 by 6. This is simple problem. Y is equal to, so what, for every day charge per day is 50 rupees. So this y we have to substitute in one of the equations. X plus 22 into 50 is equal to 1380. So it is x plus 1100. It is 1100 is equal to 1380. Then transpose that side, x is equal to 1380 minus 1100. It is going to be 280 rupees. Now after this we have to write, it should not be left like that. Therefore fixed charge is rupees 280. You should write conclusion like this. And charge per day is rupees 50. For every day 50 rupees and fixed charge is 280 rupees. You have to write completely. Conclusion also you have to write like that. Then only you will get full marks. And this type simple only, but not only this, sometimes I told you charge per day, charge per kilometer, fixed and varies per day or per kilometer. Whenever it comes you can do like this. But sometimes one change will be there, that fixed charge will be not just fixed like that, it will be fixed for first 2 days or first 2 kilometers like that. So whenever it comes for first 2 days or for first 2 kilometers, for example this problem only, they said the charge is fixed for first 2 days and for 22 days he paid 1380. Then what you have to do, for first 2 days 6 rupees already he paid out of 22 days. First 2 days already paid more. How many days he will pay? 20 days only he will pay. So x plus 20y is equal to 1380 it will become. So you have to read the question carefully. It is only fixed charge or fixed charge per how many days? Fixed charge per 2 days or 3 days. That 2 days, 3 days, whatever they mentioned, that should be subtracted from the number of days. Okay, be careful about this. If they do not mention anything, just fixed charge, then x plus whatever number of days it is given, 22y, 22y, 28y, 28y, no change. This is okay. It is simple problem only, not difficult. So let's do next one here. This is also, it is about saving. Saving is what? Income minus expenditure. So income's ratio is given, expenditures ratio is given, saving of each person is also given. Write equation. We will discuss again later, but once you try how to write equation. In this quadratic equations and pair of linear equations, if you get equations enough, you will get the answer. Problem is getting in equations only, converting that information into equation. If you know that, that is enough. So here what we do, because ratio is given, you can write given ratio of incomes 9 is to 7. Let incomes be 9x comma 7x. Similarly, ratio of expenditures is given 4 is to 3. We will take expenditures B 4y 3y. Now each person saving we have to write. Saving of first person. Saving of first person. How we get income minus expenditure? First person income is 9x. First person expenditure is 4y. And what it is? 9x, because income minus expenditure is saving. So 9x minus 4y, and saving is given as 5,000. Each one is saving 5,000 rupees. This is first equation. Similarly, saving of second person. There also second person income is 7x, expenditure is 3y. So 7x minus 3y is equal to 5,000, equation 2. Now elimination method or substitution method we have to do. We can follow elimination method. We cannot just add and subtract like before. Now what we have to do, because these two are different, complete equation 1 I am multiplying by 7, because here I have 7. So what I will get, 7 into 9x minus 4y is equal to 5,000, which is 63x minus 28y is equal to 35,000. Slowly, carefully we have to multiply and simplify in exam also. Okay, no need to go hurry. In that hurry we do mistakes. So be careful while you are simplifying equations. Now what we have to do, second equation we have to multiply by 9. 9 into 2 implies 9 into 7x minus 3y is equal to 5,000. Then what happens here? 63x minus 9 3s are 27y is equal to 45,000. You can take this as equation 3 and equation 4 if you want. So which two equations we have to simplify? 3 and 4. So 63x minus 28y is equal to 35,000. Another equation, 63x minus 27y is equal to 45,000. Now what happens, because these two are having same symbol, we will change the symbols. So this is minus, plus, minus. These two will get cancelled. Now what it is now, minus y is equal to, 35 minus 45 minus 10,000. Minus minus cancel, y is equal to 10,000. Y is equal to 10,000. They are asking find monthly incomes. So we got y. Now we have to find x also. Because we have to find out what is the value of 9x and 7x. These are the incomes. So we have to find out x value, and x value should be substituted there. To get x value, one of the equations we have to choose. 9x minus 4y is equal to 5,000. I am substituting in this. So what, 9x minus 4 into y is how much? 10,000. 10,000, no? So is equal to 5,000. Now this is 40,000 and that side. 9x is equal to 5,000 plus 40,000, which is 45,000. Now x is equal to 45,000 by x is 5,000. We have to find out incomes. So now we should write conclusion also. Just if x is, once you got x, it is not over. Conclusion, income of first person. How much? 9x. So what, 9 into 5,000, how much? 45,000. Income of second person. 7x. 7 into 5,000, which is, these are the two incomes of the two people. Understand? Let's do the next one. This is also simple only, not complicated, but you remember saving means income minus expenditure. This is speed, distance, time. Once try, I'll explain again. Here only, here, whenever speed, distance, time comes, confusion will start. It's not like quadratic equations, but here it is little different. How two places are there? One is at A and other is B. One car is at A and other car is at B, and the distance between two cars, it is given 100. Distance between two cars is given 100 kilometers. Distance is given, and now when they both are traveling in same direction, let us take like this. When they both are traveling in same direction, in the direction of A. Suppose both are going in the direction of A, how much time they are taking to meet? 5 hours. A is going back of A, B is also going, they will take 5 hours to meet. What you should understand here, the speed of B is more than speed of, then only the car at B will meet at A. Generally what we do, A and B means we take A as speed at car as A, speed of the car at A as X, speed of the car at B as, what we have to find out in this also, speeds of, let's start again from starting, we have to find speeds of two cars. Whenever this comes, where whatever question comes, see first at last what you have to find speeds of two cars. That means what, car at A and car at B. So we will take, let speed of car at A, we will draw that figure again later. Speed of car at A, B, x kilometers per hour. Speed of car A, B, x kilometers per. Speed of car at B also we have to find. Speed of car at B, B, y kilometers per hour. Two cars are there. One is at A, another is at B. Now let us come here. This is at A and one more is at B. Now this is the distance between two. We have how much distance here? 100 kilometers, that is okay. Let us take, both are going in this direction. Same direction means both are going in the same direction. Both are going in direction of B. Now how much time they are taking both of them together? 5 hours. Here the speed of car at A is x, speed of car at B is y. When they are both are going in the same direction, we have to take relative speed. How much, x minus y you should take. When they both are in same direction, relative speed x minus y. Why x minus y only? They are taking more time. They are taking more time. Speed of car A will be more, speed of car B will be less. That's why it is meeting. Car at A is meeting B because B is going little slow and car at A is going fast, so that it will meet car at B. But the difference between two cars, we have to find speed of differences between two cars. That is x minus y. When they both are in same direction, we have to take total relative speed as x minus y. Suppose if they both come in opposite direction, A is going in this direction and B is coming in this direction. Now what happens? Both are helping to meet. Speed of car at A and speed of car at B, both are helping to meet each other. So what? In this case, both the cars' speeds will be added. In the previous case, it should be subtracted because one is going one side, back of that one more is going. In that case, speeds will be subtracted. But when they both are coming in the same direction, to meet, these two will be added. So relative speed here, what it is? Relative speed will be here x plus y. So that we will write here. Relative speed of two cars when they are in same direction. Same direction is what? X minus y kilometers per hour. This we should understand. Same like that only when they are in opposite direction. When they are in opposite direction, it is x plus y kilometers per hour. This is okay. Now we have formula, time is equal to distance by speed. In first case t1, when they are in same direction, distance is 100 kilometers by speed is x minus y kilometers per hour. This is no need to write units, with units or without units. This is the first one. Second one, so if you write T1 in the when they are in same direction, how much time they are taking, it is given 5 hours. So we write 100 by x minus 5 is equal to 5. Now transpose x minus 5 here and 5 here. And what we get? Therefore, x minus y is equal to 100 by 5. So if you cancel x minus y is equal to 20 is the first equation. The second case, T2 is equal to, when they both are in opposite direction, distance is same, 100 kilometers only, but the speed is x plus y. In that case, how much time they are taking? 1 hour only. So 1 hour is equal to 100 by x plus y. Now we transpose these two here again. X plus y is equal to 100 by 1. 100 by 1 is, so this is equation 2. So elimination method. X plus y is equal to 100. X minus y is equal to 20 plus y minus y cancel. 2x is equal to 120. So x is equal to 60. So speed of car at A 60. The speed of car at B we have to find. X plus y is equal to 100. So 60 plus y is equal to 100. So y is equal to 100 minus 60. Y is equal to 40. So now we should write, this is not over now. Now we should write conclusion. Speed of car at A is 60 kilometers per hour. Speed of car at B is 40 kilometers per hour. I am not writing, but you have to write in exam, you have to write that conclusion also. Hope you understood. When they both are in same direction, x minus y. When they both are in opposite direction, x plus y. Then time is equal to distance by speed. Then you will know how to do it. Then you will get the equations, you can solve them. This part is main. 100 by x minus y is equal to 5. 100 by x plus y is equal to 1. You can copy up to you get equations, because anyway after getting equations, you know how to find out x and y. Let's see another problem how to do it. Try this. This also percentage related. You will get confusion sometimes how to do it. There is some quantity of 50% acid, some quantity of 25% acid. How much of each should be mixed to make 10 liters of 40% acid solution? From these word problems, sometimes they are giving 3 marks questions and sometimes 5 marks questions also. So here two types of solutions are there. Two types of solutions. First one, 40% concentration, and one more is 50% concentration. So we will take x liters of 40% concentration and y liters of 50% concentration acid. X liters of 40%, y liters of 50%. Total how many liters we should have? Total it is given 10 liters of acid we have to get. We have to take x liters of 40% and x liters of 50% and y liters of 25%. This is x liters we will take. This one y liters we will take. So that only we will write. What we will write? Let x liters of 50% solution and y liters of 40% solution should be taken. Then what happens? Total how many liters we have to get? 10 liters. Therefore, we get first equation x plus y is equal to 10. Next, to make how many liters? 10 liters. So x plus y is equal to 10 and 10 liters of what? 40%. This is first equation. Now because it is x liters of 50%, then the concentration of that will be 50% means 50 by 100 into x. And the next one, this is 25%. Huh? Okay, we wrote wrong here. This is 25%. So y liters of 25%. So it is what? 25% means 25 by 100 into y is equal to total how much we have to get? 40% of 10 liters. So 40% means 40 by 100 into how many liters total? 10 liters. So it is 50x plus 25y by 100 is equal to 400 by 100. Both the sides 100 we can cancel first. Then we get 50x plus 25y is equal to 400. Now we can cancel everywhere by 25. 25 2s are, so 2x, 25 1s are plus y, 25 8s are, 25 4s are, 25 16s are, not 8s are. So this is what second equation. It's 2x plus y is equal to 16. So x plus y is equal to 10. 2x plus y is equal to 16 minus minus minus. These two will get cancelled. Minus x is equal to minus 6. Therefore x is equal to 6. Now substitute that in the first equation. X plus y is equal to 10. So 6 plus y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 minus 6. Y is equal to 4. X is equal to 6. Y is equal to 4. Then you should write at last conclusion. Therefore 6 liters of 50% acid and 4 liters of 25% acid should be added or mixed to get 10 liters of 40% solution. We should write at last conclusion. Understand? Try this. Write it. Do like this. Whenever it comes like this, don't cancel here only. You will get more confused. See, this you have to be careful. In what way the simplification should be done easily. When 100 is there, both the sides 100 is there. So take 100 LCM, then cancel it. If you cancel before only, what happens? Denominator will get changed. When denominator is changed, again you have to take LCM. Now, same denominator is there, no? Directly you can take LCM. So whenever same denominator is there, don't cancel it. Take the LCM first and then at last you can cancel if you want. First if you cancel, again reverse we have to do. Again LCM we have to do, again we have to add. Understand? So let's do another. Try this. This is about a rectangle. When dimensions of a rectangle changes, area also changes. In the first case, what happened? Length is reduced, length is decreased, breadth is increased. Then area is also decreased, area is decreased. Second case, length is increased and breadth is decreased. Then area is increased. This is the information. So you should know area of a rectangle formula here first. What is the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. To draw a rectangle to understand better, what we have to find out here again? Find the dimensions of the rectangle. Dimension means what? Length and breadth. Because we have to find length and breadth, we will take length and breadth only xy. So we write let length of rectangle be x units, because we have to find out length and breadth. Breadth of rectangle be y units. And what will be area of rectangle? Area of rectangle will become, generally area we denote it with, I am denoting it with A. So A is equal to length into breadth. So here it is x into, let it be like that. Now in the case 1, this is x here. In first case x, y, area is x into y. Diagrammatically, if you remember like this, that will be there in the mind. When question comes immediately, we can remember what to be done. That is the first case. Here what happened again? Length is increased. Length is decreased. Length is reduced. Length is reduced by what? 5 units. And breadth is increased by 2 units. And what happens? Area, area of rectangle is given, it is reduced by 80 units. So here what happens here in this case? Length will become x minus 5, breadth will become y plus 2, and area will become a minus 80. Length is decreased minus 5, breadth is increased 5 plus 2, area is decreased, original area is a, which is, it is decreased a minus 80. Generally how we find area? Length into breadth again. So length into breadth means what? X minus 5 into y plus 2, but area is, now area is a minus 80, a minus, now we should multiply here, x into y, xy, x into 2, 2x, minus 5 into y, minus 5y, minus 5 into 10, minus 10. A is what? A is given here. What is A? xy, that we can substitute here. xy minus 80. Both the sides xy we can cancel, because if you send that this side it will become minus only. Plus xy minus xy cancel. Now what is the equation? 2x minus 5y minus 10, we will transpose that side, minus 8 minus 80 plus 10, minus 80 plus 10 will become minus 70. This is equation 1. The same way, one more case, what it is given? Length is increased by 10 units. So what happens here? Length is equal to x plus 10. Next, breadth is decreased by, 5 units. So that is y minus 5. And what happened to area? Area is increased. Increased by how many units? 50. So what? You can write here x plus 10 into y minus 5 is equal to a plus 50, because original area is a. After you are increasing, it will become a plus 50. Now multiply x into y, xy like before, 5 into x into minus 5, minus 5x, 10 into y, 10y, minus 50 is equal to a plus 50. A is what? xy. So xy again cancel. So our equation is minus 5x plus 10y minus 50. If it goes that side, 50 plus 50, 100. You can divide everywhere by now 5, but let us divide with minus 5, so that symbol also it will be changed. So minus 5 by minus 5 plus x minus 2y is equal to minus 20. This is equation 2. Now let us multiply here. Already 2x we have. So I am multiplying 2 into equation 2. So the 2x will be equal. So 2 into equation 2 means x minus 2y is equal to minus 20. Then what we get? 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 40. That is one equation. And other equation 2x minus 5y minus 7. Now minus plus plus. These two will get cancelled. This is y. Y is equal to 30 plus 30. If y is equal to 30. Substitute y value here. X minus 2 into 30 is equal to minus 20. X minus 60 is equal to minus 20. X is equal to minus 20 plus 60. X is equal to 40. So at last what should write? Therefore length of the rectangle is 40 units and breadth of the rectangle is 30 units. You should write that conclusion also. I am telling you, I am not writing here, but in exam you have to write. Whenever this type of question comes, see, you should follow like this. First x, y, how length is changed, breadth is changed, area is changed. Again the second case, change, breadth is changed, area is changed. So you will get two equations, solve two equations, you will get it. Why? Shall we try another one now? If you want later also, you can watch it and take the solutions. Solutions, if you want, you can copy later also. This one also, all these questions are repeated, previous year repeated questions. So try to, these questions may not come, but this kind of questions may come. So here it is a test. It is simple only. For every correct answer, 3 marks are given, and for every wrong answer, 1 mark is reduced. So total how many marks he got like that? 40 marks. So we have to consider what we have to find out again. I told what should be taken x and y, whatever they are asking, that we have to take x and y. Here what they are asking, how many questions were there in the test? Total how many questions are there? To know total how many questions are there, we have to know how many questions are attempted correctly, how many questions are attempted wrong. So we will take the number of questions attempted correct, be x. Number of questions attempted wrong, be y. Then what happens? Because 3 marks are given for every correct answer, 3x. Because x questions he answered correct, 3x marks will be given. How many marks will be reduced? 1 y. Because number of answer questions answered wrong is y, so 1 y. 3x minus, right now, 3x minus y is equal to 40. And in the second case, 4x minus 2y. Right. Read question. When in exam also, you have to read question properly 1 time, 2 times till you understand it. Also try to understand it. Especially in word problems, if you understand what it is given, you will get correct equation. Once you know correct equation, you know how to solve it. Solving is easy only. Getting correct equation only difficult. So for that you need to understand question. And the way how you write steps also important. Number of questions answered wrongly, why? Then 4x, in the first case 3 marks are given for first correct question. 3x minus 1y is equal to 40 marks, equation 1. And in the second case 4x minus 2y is equal to 50 marks. 50 marks. Then we can't do it directly, no? So we can multiply the first equation, equation 1 into 4 implies 4 into 3x minus y is equal to 40. So we get 12x minus 4y is equal to 160, equation 3. Now equation 2 into 3 implies 3 into 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. In this, if you multiply, what happens? 12x minus 6y is equal to 150. Now 12x minus 4y is equal to 160. 12x minus 6y is equal to 150. Now minus plus minus. These two will get cancelled. We get plus 2y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. We have to substitute in one of the equations. 3x minus y is equal to 40. 3x minus 5 is equal to 40. 3x is equal to 40 plus 5, 45. X is equal to 45 by 350. So conclusion at last you have to write the number of questions attempted correct is 15. Number of questions answered be 5. The total number of questions is 15 plus 5. Total number of questions is 20. You should write that also. You have to mention that. You have to mention that last point. This is not so difficult, but it came for 5 marks previously. Again, this also came for 5 marks. It's related to percentage, interest. Read, try to write equation for this. Try to write the equation for that. This is similar to like before how we have done chemistry, acid, base, but here now it is amount. Find the amount length in both the cases. In the first case, what happens? We divide the total amount into two parts, x and y. First amount 10% and the second amount. So we will consider like this. Let the x amount be lent on lent at 10% per annum. X amount be lent at 10% per annum and the y amount lent at 15% per annum. Is it given total amount how much it is? No. So both the cases later what happened? They are interchanged. So you will not get x plus y is equal to something because total amount is not given. Like there before we got x plus y is equal to 10 liters. So like that we do not have any amount here, total amount. So we will first write let amount lent at 10% be rupees x and 15% be rupees y. What is the total interest? It is 1900. So it is 10% means 10 by 100 of x rupees plus 15% means 15 by 100 of y rupees is equal to total 1900 rupees. Now because here any rate of interest is not given, directly we have to take LCM like before. 10x plus 15y by 100 is equal to 1900. before we cancelled 100 on both the sides. Now we cannot cancel 100 on both the sides. This 100 you have to send that side. Then we get 10x plus 15y is equal to 1,90,000. This is equation 1. The second case, what happens? In the same way, the rate of interest is interchanged. Then now 15% will come here, 10% will go there. And what happens? 15 by 100 into x. Now how much in amount is increased here? 200 it is increased. Before it is 1900, now it become 2100 because 200 more it is. Now again, like before, only same 15x plus 10y whole divided by 100 is equal to 2100. Send this there, then we get 15x plus 10y is equal to 2 lakhs 10,000. Now I told you one point before. See here once 10, 10, here 15, 15. One time add, one time subtract. So we can add one time 10x plus 15y is equal to 1 lakh 15x plus 10y is equal to 2 lakh 10,000. What happens? 25x plus 25y is equal to 4 lakhs exactly. Now we can divide everywhere by 25. So x plus y is equal to, if you divide this by 25, 16, this is equation 1. If we subtract, what happens? 10x plus 15y is equal to 1,90,000. Another one, 15x plus 10y, 2,10,000. You should be careful about simplification in this. Minus, minus, minus. Minus 5x plus 5y is equal to, it is just 20,000 difference. Now everywhere we can divide by minus 5. So it is plus x minus 5 plus 4,000. This is equation 2. Now again we have to simplify this. So you can take it as 3 and 4. This is 2, that is 3 and 4. Now x plus y is equal to 1,60,000 and x minus y is equal to 20,000. Oh. Here it is 16, no? It is only 16,000, not 1,60,000. That is just 16,000. That is 16,000 and this is 4,000. So these two will be cancelled. 2x is equal to, when you add both, we get 20,000. So x is equal to 10,000 after cancellation. X is equal to 10,000. Now we know x plus y is equal to 16,000. So 10,000 plus y is equal to 16,000. So y is equal to 16,000 minus 10,000. Y is equal to just 6,000. So these are the two amounts. You should write it last. Therefore, the two amounts are 10,000 and 6,000. Try this. Write it. Voice. Over. So let's see next one. Almost all the word problems in pair of linear equations are completed. Like this one, this type of questions only we have. Over. Pair of linear equations is over. That kind of questions only will be there. So you be careful about those topics. Now, in this quadratic equations, first problem, equation is not there properly. It is, you can do it. It is simple one. Question is like, equation is 4x square plus kx plus 1 is equal to 0. Roots are real and equal. You have to find k. 4x square plus kx plus 1 is equal to 0. Roots are real and equal. You have to find just k. When roots are equal, real and equal, you should know the formula, substitute in the formula and find out the value of k. This is very important concept. Compulsory you will get one question based on this. Either greater than 0 or equal to 0 or less than 0. One question comes based on discriminant. Remember how to solve it. Now here, first write the values of ABC. A is equal to 4, B is equal to K, C is equal to 1. Substitute in the formula. So B square means K square minus 4 into A, 4. C is 1 is equal to 0. K square minus 16 is equal to 0. K square is equal to 16. K is equal to plus or minus root 16. K is equal to plus or minus 4. You may get this type of question for objective or sometimes subjective also, but subjective will be little lengthy. Method same we have to follow, but ABC values will be big. You have to simplify carefully and then find the values what they are asking to find. Next one. Again word problem. Try to get the equation quick. I told you 2-digit number means what should be taken? X value, tens place, 2-digit number, the digit at the units place is 5 less than the digit at the tens place. So the 10x plus y, 10y plus x also not required here. What it is given first? Product of digits is given. We will take x in tens place, y in ones place. Let x be in tens place, y be in ones place. What it is given first information? Units place is digit in units place is 5 less than digit in tens place. We took tens place, what we took? Ones place, what we took? Which is less, which is more? Ones place digit is less, tens place digit is more. So x minus y it is given. X minus y given, what it is given? Given units digit is 5 less than tens digit. What means? What it means? 10. What it means? X minus y is equal to 5 or x is equal to y plus 5. X minus y is equal to 5. This is the equation. One more, what it is given? Product of digits. X into y is equal to 36. Now from this y is equal to 36 by, we will substitute this here. So x minus 36 by x is equal to 5. We will take LCM. What happens? X into x square minus 36 by x is equal to 5. We will transpose x here. And what we get? X square minus 36 is equal to, send that 5x here. We get x square minus 5x minus 36 is equal to 0. Now splitting the middle term. X square minus 5x minus 36 is equal to 0. Factors of minus 36 we have to find. 9, 4, 0. Minus 36 we want, so minus 9 plus 4 because we want minus 5 here. So what is x square minus 9x plus 4x. Do you know this splitting x into x minus 9? plus 4 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. So x minus 9 into x plus. So what it means, x minus 9 is equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 9 or x is equal to minus 4. But we do not take minus value as a digit. Negative value we do not take it as a digit. Therefore, tens digit is what? Tens digit is 9. And we also know x into y is equal to how much? 36. We got 9 into y is equal to 36. Y is equal to 36 by 9. Y is equal to 4. So tens digit is 9, ones digit is 4. Therefore, the number is 94. Number is 94. So tens digit is 5 more than, see, once units digit is 5 less than the tens digit. Units digit is 5 less than the tens digit. And product of digits is 36. Okay. Next one. The equation is not there. I will write the equation here. This one again b square minus 4ac1 only. But it is 5 marks. 3k plus 1 into x square plus 2k plus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. This equation has equal roots. We have to find the value of k. Whenever equal root it comes, you should remember first b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is a value? You should write 3k plus 1. What is b value? We should write 2 into k plus 1. What is c value? We should write 1 and substitute in that. Try it. Substitute in that formula and try it. Is it done? Let's see. You have to substitute in the equation. First b we have to substitute. B is what? 2, 2 into k plus 1 whole square. You should be careful about this while you are substituting. 2 into k plus 1 whole square we have to write minus 4ac. 4 into a is what? 3k plus 1. A is 3k plus 1. C is what? 1 only. So 1 is equal to 0. So what we do? We expand it. 2 square. This should be square should be applied to both. 2 square is 4 into k plus 1 whole square. We can do step by step, neatly, slowly, this type of problem. Somewhere if you go wrong, again complete solution will be wrong. So 2 square 4, again k plus 1 whole square, minus 4 into 1 4 only, 4 into 3k plus 1 is equal to 0, because 4 into 1 4. Now you should expand this by using a plus b whole square formula. 4 into k square plus 2 into k into 1 plus 1 square, a plus b whole square I use, a square plus 2ab plus b square, minus we can multiply this for both, 4 into 3k 12k, minus into plus. You should be careful about this. When you're multiplying here, minus into plus, minus it is. When you're removing bracket, that minus should be multiplied. Minus 4 into 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now this is 4 into k square. So this is 2k plus 1 minus 12k minus 4 is equal to 0. Now multiply 4 also here. It becomes 4k square plus 8k plus 4 minus 12k minus 4 is equal to 0. Now 4k square as it is, 4k square only, 8k minus 12k minus 4k plus 4 minus 4 cancel is equal to 0. Now from both we can take 4k common, because here 4k is there, in this also 4k is there, so we can take 4k common, so it is k minus 1 is equal to 0. Means what? 1 time 4k is equal to 0, or k minus 1 is equal to 0. Send for that side, k is equal to 0 by 4 0, or k is equal to 1. K is equal to 0 or k is equal to 1. But here k is equal to 0 cannot be taken. Can we take k is equal to 0 here? We can take. Why? Because if you write here k is equal to 0, what happens? 3 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1 it is there, no? 1 into x square will be present. So k can be either 0 or 1. Suppose if it is there like this, k x square, so k becomes 0, what happens? This total x square only withdrawn. When x square is not there, it is not a quadratic equation. So we have to check whether we can take k is equal to 0 or not, and then write the answer at least. That is the final answer. K can be 0 or k can be 1. Hope you understood this one also. I am telling you, this will come definitely either for 1 mark, sometimes 2 or 3 marks, or 5 marks also. So you try to remember it. In case study also, they may give question based on this. Shall we go to the next one now? Hmm? You understood? No, you can do it later also. This one again, it's not done. It's again 2-digit number. Here we have to take 10x and 10x plus y and 10y plus x. A 2-digit number is such that the product of its digits is 14. What we will take digits generally? Tens place x, ones place. In tens place we take x, in ones place we take y. The number becomes 10x plus y. After reversing the digits, it is 10y plus x. So what it is given, 45 is added to the number. The digits interchange their places. So you should add 45 to 10x plus y, and at last result should be equal to 10y plus x. So what we do here, tens place we take x, ones place we take y, and the number becomes 10x plus y. After reversing the digits, tens place y, ones place x, number is 10y plus. Write this first. After that, given, we can write here first, let tens digit be what? X. Ones digit be y. Given product of digits. Product of digits, how much it is given? 14. Product of digits means what? X into y. X into y is equal to, this is equation 1. Next equation, 45 is added to the number. What is the number? 10x plus y. 45 should be added to it. So 10x plus y plus 45. And what happens? Digits get interchanged. Means what? Number becomes 10y plus x. Now send these two 10y plus x this side. 10x plus y minus 10y minus x plus 45 is equal to 0. All those terms I sent this side. Now 10x minus 1x, 9x plus 1y minus 10y minus 9y plus 45 is equal to 0. We can divide everywhere by 9 now. So equation becomes x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now what you do here, from this you write the value of y as 14 by x. X into y is equal to 14. So 14 is equal to y is equal to 14 by, that we can substitute here. X minus y means 14 by x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we take LCM. So it becomes x into x, x square minus 14, because already x is there in the denominator. Here x is not there, plus 5x. We should be careful in taking LCM. Wherever x is not there in the denominator, we should add there, multiply them. Send x that side 0. So finally equation is going to be x square plus 5x minus 14 is equal to, solve it and find the number. We can split the middle term and find out what it is. Hope you got the factors and answer it last. You have to take the factors of 14. So what? Plus 7 and minus 2. So x square plus 7x minus 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. X common, x plus 7 minus 2 common, x plus 7 is equal to 0. So what it is? X plus 7 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 7 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 7, x is equal to, so digit cannot be negative, I said, so we can't take minus 7. So x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, we know y is equal to 14 by x. So y is equal to 14 by 2. So x is 2 and y is 7. Therefore the number is 27. You should write at last conclusion also. Therefore the number is 27. If this is already done, we'll try another one. Very important train related problem. Every time speed, distance, time. One problem is coming based on train. That may be express train, passenger train, or fast train, slow train, or one train only speed is increased or decreased. At last, it is what? It is related to speed. Maybe flight, whatever vehicle it may be, or person. It is related to speed, distance. You have to follow this procedure, and it is very important. You should find out time in both the cases. Time in first case, time in second case. But to find out time, we should know distance and speed. Distance is already given 60 kilometers. Speed, it is not original speed. It is what decreased speed. Decreased speed is 10 kilometers per hour. We have to find the speed of fast train or slow train both. So we will take here speed of slow train is 10 kilometers less. So we will take speed of fast train first. let the speed of fast train, we will take it as x kilometers per hour. Speed of fast train. Let speed of fast train be x kilometers per. What is the time taken by fast train now? Time taken by fast train. Formula is distance by speed. Distance we know. Distance how much it is given? 60 kilometers. So what T1 we can write as T1. T1 is equal to 60 by x. So next speed of slow train. Slow train how much it will be? X minus 10 kilometers per hour. This is speed. Now time. Slow train is what? 60 by time, no T2. X minus 10. We can take it as T2. So T2 is equal to 60 by x minus 10. This is T2. This is T1. So what it is given? Fast train takes 3 hours less than the slow train. Which is taking less? Fast train is taking less. Slow train is taking more. So slow train time is more. Fast train time is less. That should be very important. That you have to be careful. From what we have to subtract. Whose time is more now? Slow train time is more. Fast train time is less. So this my T2 minus T1 we have to do. So T2 minus T1 is equal to how many hours it is given? 3 hours. It is taking 3 hours less. T2 minus T1 is equal to 3. What is T2 now? 60 by x minus 10 minus 60 by x is equal to, after this, simplify this now, get the equation. Simplify that and get the equation. Right. Is it completed? So what we have to do here? These two should be taken LCM. X should be multiplied here. X minus 10 should be multiplied here. I am writing here. So what happens? 60 into x minus 60 into x minus 10 by x into x minus 10. This we have to take LCM. Here only we have to be careful. So what happens here? 60x minus 60 into x minus 60x minus into minus 600 is equal to what we have that side 3 by x square minus 10x. Plus 60x minus 60x is equal to 3 will be there. Transpose this 3 that side. So what happens? 3 into x square minus 10x is equal to 600. Either you can multiply this 3 everywhere or you can send this 3 that side. Okay. If you multiply here, what happens? 3x square minus 30x is equal to 600. Send the 600 here. 3x square minus 30x minus 600 is equal to 0. Now we can divide everywhere by 3. So it is x square minus 10x minus 200 is equal to 0. So factors of 200 such that we get 20 and 10 minus 20 plus 10. Find out the values, x values, then write the conclusion. Split the middle term, find the value of x. Stuck. 1 minute. Just switch off the camera and on. Second switch. Completed. No, this one got it. What you got it last? X square minus 20x plus 10x minus 200 is equal to 0. X minus 20 plus 10 common x minus 20 is equal to 0. So x minus 20 into x plus 10 is equal to 0. So x minus 20 is equal to 0. X plus 10 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 20 or x is equal to minus 10. Speed cannot be negative. Therefore, speed of what they are asking to find each train. Speed of fast train. Speed of fast train is what? 20 kilometers per hour. The speed of fast train is 20 kilometers per hour. Slow train is 10 kilometers less. Next one. Let's try the next one. This is what? Motorboat. Remember, motorboat, we will be having two streams, upstream and downstream. Remember this picture. Boat, this side it is, when it is going this side it is downstream. If it goes this side it is upstream. There will be two speeds, speed of the boat and speed of the stream. Here it is given already speed of the boat. So speed of the boat is 18 kilometers per hour, it is given. And speed of the stream, we will take it as x because we have to find speed of the stream. What they are asking to find, that only we will take it as x. So what we write first, let speed of stream be x kilometers per hour, right? So water is there when boat is going in the downward direction. Boat is going in the downward direction. Speed of the stream will be added to speed of the boat. So in this case, it is x plus no 18 plus. If you write x plus 18, again maybe wrong again later. So in this case, it is 18. Always speed of the stream should be added. 18 plus x in this case. 18 plus x. And when it is going upstream, it will be subtracted. Speed of the stream will be subtracted. So in this case, it is 18 minus. This you have to be careful. Once if you know this, the remaining part you can write. X kilometers per hour. Then speed of boat. Speed of boat. Directly I am writing. Speed of boat in downstream. Speed of boat in downstream is 18 plus x kilometers per hour. Speed of boat in upstream is 18 minus x kilometers per hour. First important point, you have to write this. Now what you have to find again like before, train problem, how we did T1, T2. Here also we have to find T1, T2. Time in upstream, time in downstream. Time formula is distance by speed. So time is equal to formula you write distance by speed. Time taken by boat in downstream, let us write first. Anyone we can write. Downstream T1 is equal to distance is how much? Distance is given 24 kilometers. So what it is 24 by downstream speed, what it is 18 plus x. Now same time taken by boat in upstream. You should write this time taken by the boat in upstream. T2 is equal to 24 by 18 minus x because in upstream speed is 18 minus x. Understood these two? Now after this, very important point is in which case time is more. In upstream time is more or in downstream time is more. In upstream time will be more because it is going up. Speed is less. So time will be more. So T2 will be more and T1 is less. So T2 minus upstream time minus downstream time. You remember motorboat related problems, upstream time minus Downstream time we have to find. So upstream time minus downstream time is how many hours it is given there? 1 hour. So T2 minus T1 is equal to 1. So T2 is 24 by 18 minus x minus 24 by 18 plus x is equal to 1. After this again same like before only. What we do, we take LCM 24 into 18 plus x minus 24 into 18 minus x divided by a square minus b square, no? Because a plus b into a minus b, directly we can write a square minus b square, which is 18 square. 18 square is 324 minus x square is equal to how much? We should multiply this. 24 into 18 is 72, 7, 36, 43. So it is 432. 432 plus 24x minus 432 minus into minus. You must be careful here. Minus into minus plus 24x. We will try send this side. Then 1 into this. 1 into that value is again 324 minus x square 1. In this, what happens? These two will be cancelled. 24 plus 24, 48x is equal to 324 minus x square. Now these two will transfer this side. And finally, our equation will be plus x square, because minus x square I am sending this side, plus 48x as it is. And this plus 324 if you send this side, minus 324 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. What is our quadratic equation? X square plus 48x minus 324 is equal to 0. You have to find out the factors. Or b square minus 4 is minus b plus or minus also we can do. But factorization 18 into 18, no? So we can write it as 2 into 9, 2 into 9, 36 and 4. 3 into 3, 36 and 9. 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3, 27, and 2 into 2 into 3, 27 and 12. We are not getting, no? One more 3 should be there, no? 6 into 54. Huh? So 2 into 3, one factor, 54 is one factor. If you are not able to find out this, you can use quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So it is x square plus 54x minus 6x minus 324 is equal to 0. So x common, x plus 54 minus x common again. So x plus 54 is common. X minus x is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 54. X is equal to 6. You can't take this because we can't be negative. At last, what is the solution? Answer. Speed of the stream is 6 kilometers per hour. So after you're getting this up to here, okay. After that, you're not getting some or other way, either factors or formula method you use to find out x. This is also speed, distance, time related. After going home or tomorrow, you practice one or two problems based on train, boat, train and boat. And this one also, this is another one. Here, this is about cost and expenditure. The person on tour has 4,200 rupees. He is having 4,200 rupees for his expenses, total expenses. So only he took 4,200, but after that, what happened? He extended his tour for 3 days. The amount is same, but number of days are increased. The number of days increases, what happens? On each day, expenditure will be reduced. See, cut down. Daily expenses will be less because number of days are increased. We have same amount. The amount is not changed. With same amount now, you have to spend 3 more days. This what happens? Expenditure per each day will be reduced. Do you remember we did one problem? Rectangle length increases, breadth decreases, area increased or decreased. So like that only here also. What we do? Let the number of days be x. Charge per each day be y. Okay. And what is the total charge? How we find? Number of days into charge per each day. For example, you are going 10 days. Each day you are spending 5 rupees. What is the total charge we get? 10 into 5, 50 rupees. Every day you are spending 5 rupees. 10 days you are going, the total charge will be 10 into 5, 50 rupees. So you remember, total charge will be equal to number of days into charge per each day. So here x into y is equal to total charge. How much it took? 4,200. Let me see equation, one equation. So later what happened? Tour extended for 3 more days. Actually, number of days is x only, but later it is extended for 3 more days. So after tour is extended for 3 days. Charge is what? Reduced by 70 rupees. So what happens? X will become x plus 3 because number of days are increased. And the days are becoming each per day, charge per day, each one is reduced. So y minus 70 is equal to, is there any change in the total charge? So that is again 4,200 only. You can do like this. Here total amount same. Only days and charge per each one is changed. Now x into y, x into minus 70, minus 70x. 3 into y, 3y minus 210 is equal to 4,200. So what happens, this xy is what? 4,000. Here also we have, these two are same. 4,200, 4,200. They both are same. We can, what you have? 70x minus 70x plus 3y minus 210 is equal to, now from this only what we can write? Y is equal to 4,200 by, then we can write here minus 70x plus 3 into 4,200 by x minus 210 is equal to, now we take again LCM like before. Because x is not there, we should multiply x here. Minus 70 x square. 42 threes. 0, 0, 6, 1200. X is there already, no need to multiply. Minus 210x whole divided by x is equal to 0. And what happens? Minus 70x square minus 210 x plus 12660 is equal to 0 into x, 0. Can we divide everywhere by 10? 0 is there, no? So if you divide everywhere by 10, minus 7x square minus 21x plus 126 is equal to 0. Actually, I want here plus x square. So change everywhere symbol also. We can change everywhere symbol. One more 0 is there. 0. Now, if you change symbol everywhere, 7x square is 21x minus 21, oh, 1260. And write again 7x square plus 21x. Is it divided by 7? 126. 7 1 the 7. Yes, it is divided by 7 also. So we can divide everywhere by 7 also. X square plus 3x minus 7 1 the 7. 7 8 the 0 is equal to 0. This is the equation. What are the factors of 180, 12 and 15? Factors of 180 are 12 and 15 such that we get 3 plus 15 and minus 12. Right? Plus 15 and minus 12. So number of days, 12 days. You have to find number of days one. So I am not explaining how to split it to find out the values. So let us see another one. Here you should be careful. Total charge. Okay, total charge will be number of days into charge per day. Okay, next one. If you want the answer solution, you can check in. After later also you can check. You can take the screenshot. Photo solution photo. So this is also important. Work and time. Pipes, systems. 5 marks question. These all are 5 marks questions. 2-digit number, rain related, motorboat related, now pipes related. Okay, all these are 5 marks questions. You work on it. Once you know how to frame the equation, you will get 5 marks. So here also 2 pipes are there. Together they are taking here. Print is not proper. It is 3 1 by 3. 3 1 by 13. What it is? How much time it is taking? 3 1 by 13 hours they are taking. 2 taps together they are taking 3 1 by 13 hours. One is taking 3 hours more than the other. One is larger one and other is smaller one. So one is given, one is taking 3 hours more than the other. So we will take here, we have to find out the time taken by each pipe. So we will take let time taken by smaller tap be x hours. Time taken by the smaller tap is x hours. Here what you have to know, very important point, work done and the relation between work done and time taken. Relation between work done and time taken you have to know. Suppose if you take 10 days time to complete a work, in one day you will complete 1 by 10. If you take 100 days to complete a work, in one day you will complete 1 by 100. If you take x hours to complete, in 1 hour you will complete 1 by x of the total work. So smaller tap is taking x hours to complete it. Then in 1 hour it will complete 1 by x. So that we will write it as work done by smaller tap. This is time taken by the smaller tap. Work done by smaller tap will be 1 by x. Remember this. Now smaller tap is taking x hours. Larger tap will take more or less. Larger tap will take less, no? Smaller tap is taking x hours. Here it is giving one tap is taking 3 hours more. So smaller tap is taking 3 hours more. We have taken x, no? So larger tap should be taken minus you should take because it will take less. Okay. Larger tap will take less time because it will fill quickly. Larger tap fills quickly. Smaller tap we took x. So larger tap you have to take time taken by larger tap will be x minus 3, because here it is given more, but we took wrong way. What we took? Smaller tab we took first. Larger tab, if you take x, smaller tab will be x plus 3. But we took smaller tab only x, because you took smaller tab as x, larger tab will become x minus. Now, time taken by larger tab will be x minus 3 hours. Then work done by larger tab. Larger tab is 1 by x minus. You should be careful about it. 1 by x, next one is 1 by x minus. They both are, that is different, separate. Two tabs together. When you want two tabs together, we have to add two tabs together. Together they take how much time they are taking? 3, 1 by 13. So work done by two tabs. So if you write step by step like this, you will understand more clearly. Work done by two tabs together in 1 hour is 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 3 is equal to, it is not just 40 by 13. It's not 40 by 13. It is 1 by 40 by 13. Because it should be reciprocal like before. When time is x, work is 1 by x. Now when time is 40 by 13, work is 1 by 40 by 13. If you take directly 40 by 13, again your answer will be wrong. So x time 1 by x work. X minus 3 time 1 by x minus 3 work. 3 1 by 13 time 1 by 3 1 by 13 is work. So now if you simplify this, 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 3 is equal to 13 by 40. Now you know after this, you should do LCM. So x minus 3 plus x into 1 x by x into x minus 3 is equal to 13 by 40. You should be careful about it. X plus x, 2x minus 3 by x square minus 3x is equal to 13 by 40. So cross multiplication, 40 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 13x square, 13 into x square minus 3x. So we can multiply now. 80x minus 120 is equal to 13x square minus 39x. Transpose all the terms this side. 13x square minus 39x minus 80x plus 120. You should be careful while you are shifting one side to other side, all the symbols. So what it is now? 13x square minus 39 minus 80 minus 119 plus 120 is equal to 0. Now we have to take the factors of this, but it is not divided everywhere. So splitting the middle term, 120 into 13. 13 is okay. 13 into 120. 120 factors 60 and so 60 to 13. Do we get 26 and 60? 119? No. Then 30 and this is 2 into 2 into 13? 52. No. 15 and 104. I separated 1 2 from this and I multiplied that to this. So what? 15 is one factor, 104 is one factor. 15 and 104. 15 plus 104 is 104. If you are not getting like this, I told you, you practice minus b, but there you have to know what is the square root of the number. You will get one square root. That number square root is what you have to know. So here 13x square plus 15x minus 104 x plus 120 is equal to 0. So we take x common, only x common. When we get here 13x plus 15 minus 104. This is what 120. Yeah? 8 we can take common. What? 8. 8 13s are 104 plus 8 15s are 120 is equal to 0. So what? 13x plus 15 into x minus 8 is equal to 0. So anyway, by this we get negative value, we can't take. So by this x is equal to, what is the time taken by the smaller tap? What we have taken smaller tap? Not 1 by 8, the time it is. Time taken by the smaller tap is 8 hours and time taken by the larger tap it will be 8 plus 3, 3 hours more. So 11 hours. 8 hours and 11 hours. Oh, larger tap. This is smaller tap 8 hours. That is not 11 hours. Larger tap will take plus 5 hours only. Smaller tap is 8 hours, larger tap is 5 hours. Okay. So be careful about this also. X time, 1 by x work. Again, how larger tap is related, you see. If it is x plus 5 or x minus 5 or x plus 10, see 1 by x plus 10 or 1. Add both. This side you should take reciprocal. Then do LCM. You will get the quadratic equation. But solving quadratic equation, you be careful. If you know factorization, okay. Otherwise, use formula method. This is okay. Now, next one. Sum of the areas of two squares. 52 square units. 52 square units. So many we did today. It is 52 centimeters square. Okay. This print is what? Sum of areas is 52. Sum of areas is 52 centimeters square. And difference is 8 centimeters. Difference of perimeters is 8 centimeters. When two squares are given, So this is, we take first square, this is second square, okay? Understood? Let us take the side of the square be x centimeters, side of the square be y centimeters. Now areas is given, A1, let us take, this is x square, correct? Area of a square is side square. What is the area of the second square? Y square. Perimeter of the first square, 4x. Perimeter of the second square, 4y. Now we have to substitute in the given condition. First we have to write, let the side of the square, first square be x units. Side of the second square be y units. They given sum of areas of two squares. Sum of areas of two squares is what? X square plus y square is equal to 52. Equation 1. Difference of perimeters. Difference of perimeters. 4x minus 4y is equal to 8. Can we divide everywhere by? So x minus y is equal to 2. Okay, from this x is equal to 2 plus y, take it as 2 and substitute this is. What happens? X square as it is. No, in the place of x only we have to write. So what it is? 2 plus y whole square plus y square is equal to a plus b whole square form. Do you know after this? So it is 4 plus y square 4y plus y square. Now y square plus y square 2y square plus 4y. That 52 if you send this side is 4 minus 52 is equal to 0. So 2y square plus 4y minus 48 is equal to 0. We can divide everywhere by 2. So y square plus 2y minus 24 is equal to 0. Factors of 24 such that we get 2. Y square plus 6y minus 4y minus 24 is equal to 0. Y into y plus 6 minus 4 into y plus 6. So it is what? Y plus 6 into y minus 4. So y plus 6 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 6 can't be taken because it is side. Side should be positive. So what? Y minus 4 is equal to 0. So y is equal to side of one square is 4 units. So what is side of another square? X is equal to 2 plus y. 2 plus 4. Side of the first square is 6 centimeters. Side of the second square is 4 centimeters. Understand how to do whenever it comes two squares, areas, sum of areas or difference areas, sum of perimeters or difference of perimeters. You have to follow like this. This one also related to geometry, but it is about what? Right angle. Right angle triangle. Draw the figure. Draw a right angle triangle. A, B, C. Means what it is given? Perimeter is given and hypotenuse is also given. Hypotenuse is how much? Hypotenuse is 25. These two we do not know. Let us take x and. So because perimeter is given, perimeter means what? Sum of all the sides. So x plus y plus 25 is equal to 60. So x plus y is equal to 60 minus 25. X plus y is equal to y is equal to 35 minus x. Let it be equation 1. And another, because it is a right angle triangle, we use Pythagoras theorem. What it is? X square plus y square is equal to hypotenuse is 25. So 25 square. So x square plus y means what? 35 minus x whole square is equal to 625. I am writing it directly. Now this is x square as it is. Now a minus b whole square. 35 square plus x square minus 2 into 35 into x is equal to 624. Now this is x square and you do know what it is. 3 4s are 12. So 1225 it is. Plus x square minus 70x minus 625 is equal to x square plus x square 2x square minus 70x 1225 minus 625 600. So you can divide everywhere by 2. So x square minus 35x plus 300 is equal to 0. Minus 20 and minus 15. X square minus 20x minus 15x plus 300 is equal to 0. X common x minus 20 minus 15 common x minus 20 is equal to 0. So x minus 20 into x minus 15 is equal to 0. So x minus 20 is equal to 0 or x minus, so x is equal to 20 or x is equal to 50. We got both the values positive. So two values we have to take. Case 1, case 2. Case 1, if x is equal to 20, then what is y? 35 minus 20, which is case 2. If x is equal to 15, y is equal to 35 minus 15, that is, so one time 20 comma 15 are sides or both are same. No, understood? These are quadratic equations related problems. But still I thought today trigonometry will be over. But no, tomorrow we do it. Enough? Tomorrow how many more we can do? Trigonometric identities. Some very important only we will discuss. Where you feel more difficult. And circles, triangles, some surface areas and volumes. I will mention timings. According to the timings, like this only, if you come, that will be useful. Okay. Right.